This movement's October the 17th, 2016. And I'm bringing warnings and watches for August the 23rd to the 27th. Now, there's a lot of stuff going on. Tonight, you're going to be able to see a rocket, if you live on the East Coast, getting shot into outer space. Saturday, no-fly zone in Montana. They're launching rockets, saying it's doing a space program. People are worried that it's for World War III. Now, that's the conspiracy. All right, yes, it could possibly be something going outer space to defend the United States from EMPs from North and South, from North Korea, China, Russia, nuclear weapons, the Star Wars system, an upgrade to it. All right, there's a lot of things, but most likely it's for this asteroid right here. This asteroid comes 10.1 distances between the from Earth. All right, so 10.1 seems far. All right, it's 10 times the distance of the moon to the Earth, but this has been tagged for the first time. This has been tagged as a 413-260, and the reason they tag it is because they're not sure on its direction. All right, it could change at any moment in time. They put warnings for asteroid impact between October 24th and 27th. We've seen something crossing by the sun, and the Soyuz camera, sorry for slaughtering, been down since. I have to report this. So warnings for asteroid, possible asteroid impact between October 24th and 27th. And Obama signed that space weather wants more done with space weather. We just did a video on that. Alright, so you guys can check this link out. You guys can see the orbit diagram, but it's called 2003 TL4. Warnings and watches, October the 24th to 27th. Alright. And all these are FAA has announced no-fly zone over certain areas of Montana. All right, U.S. is preparing to launch nuclear strike first is what all that's coming up. But the reality of this over Miami, Montana, on Saturday, no-fly zone. The reason for this is because it's part of an unannounced space operation. Sounds like a cover story. This is a conspiracy thing before it's news. But it's true that U.S. is preparing to launch a missile with the FAA restricted no-fly zone over Montana on Saturday. All right, this could be possible nuclear war. The first steps towards it. But it is a space program, an unannounced space program, and I'm putting warnings and watches because the asteroid's real. It's not only that. Tonight, all right, this is at space.com. All right, reliable resources all the time. The Antares rocket launch tonight will be visible from the U.S. East Coast. Watch it live. So tonight, on October the 17th, at 7:40 p.m. All right, so right now it's about to happen right now. If you live on the East Coast, you're gonna be able to see this rocket. All right, nearly 2 years after a private build anti-rocket crashed and exploded, the Boeser-built or orbital ATK is ready to return to flight tonight. An upgrade version of anti-rocket will soar into the sky above Virginia Eastern Shore, a nighttime launch that could be visible to potential millions of observers up and down the U.S. coast, if weather is permitting. That's why it's tonight. It was supposed to be yesterday. The Antares rocket will launch orbitally ATK Cygnus spacecrafts on a NASA cargo delivery mission to the International Space Station. Liftoff is set for 8:03 p.m., folks. So I'm about to upload this. All right. Another thing, China just launched. China is launching a crew to their own space station. Yes, there's the International Space Station. China is launching its first crew mission to the Tiangong 2 space station. Alright, why? At 7:30 p.m. this evening, China will launch its first crewed mission to the Tiangong 2 space station, which will test the station's life support and conduct a variety of experiments over the next 30 days. Alright, this is the first crew mission for the country since 2013 and will be carried out by a pair of tachinauts. Alright, the pair will ride into space aboard the Xing 11, which will launch atop China's Long March 2F rocket from Jiqin launch site in the Gobi Desert. The crew will arrive at Tonga 2 days after launch. This will be the longest crew mission China has conducted. To the prior record for the country was 15 days during the Xi'an mission. All right, so China launch a rocket 2 into space. All right. Also, another, this is just Asteroid, NASA to study Bennu. And we did a video on it, and I'm going to do another video in a few weeks about Bennu, Osiris, REX, the secret code, REX 84. Alright, 2, folks. Alright, for FEMA camps and international camps. Alright, folks. The secret message plus the asteroid Bennu. Alright. Bennu, that's Egyptian. Osiris is Egyptian. Alright, folks. This article here talks about NASA, how they said there's thousands of potential space rocks, asteroids in motion towards Earth. Alright, why? Why is there thousands? First off, we already aligned it with the central galactic plane, so it's causing more space rocks to come our way. Second off, we're about to go on the other side of the sun. The sun been blocking us. You know, we go around the sun, all right, but the sun goes around our galaxy. Our galaxy goes around, the whole system goes around the central galactic plane. The sun been blocking us. Each time we turn around the sun goes in front of us, folks. It's hard to explain. I'm going to show you in a video. But now we're entering on the other side of the sun, and this goes on to year 2024. That's why Obama put out space weather, warning for X-class solar flare, because in this time, this is when those major space storms are going to occur. It's because the gravity that's being pulled from the central galactic plane on our galaxy and on our Earth, between the Earth, the sun, and the central galactic plane, where it creates the universe, is pulling on our side of the sun. All that electricity is going to cause X-class solar flares. It's going to cause more space rocks to come towards Earth. And it's going to cause the planet that we all know, Nibiru, what people call Planet X. What NASA even calls Planet X and Nibiru, the 9th planet. All right. Now, this is what happened. This is the truth. We're going to get into how Hillary Clinton acknowledged through her private emails that been hacked. It's going to be shown here on my next video how Hillary Clinton knows about Planet X through WikiLeaks. So stay tuned, folks, because last time Nibiru came, we had 9th planet. What people think is the asteroid belt. They used to be a planet. The asteroid belt used to be a planet. And those were Lone Star asteroids. They'd just be floating all around and star. But the asteroid belt is in gravitational pull. It's thousands of asteroids. They used to be a planet. And Nibiru, Planet X, whatever you want to call it, came through and took out whatever planet that used to be called in ancient times and created the asteroid belt. The whole planet exploded, but still in motion till this day, and it's called the asteroid belt. Alright, folks? It's called the asteroid belt because that used to be a planet. Now, Nibiru, Planet X, whatever you want to call it, is coming back through. And also, we got asteroid potential. It's going to happen on October 24th, 27th. It's not just that. We got Bennu, we got Osiris EX that's out there to stop asteroids from coming towards Earth. President Obama warning about space weather, solar flares, and it's all because of 2012. All these movies that we watch, a lot of them get grants. And people think December 21st, 2012 never happened. Well, it did, folks. It's not going to happen all. The way they brainwash you, folks, is you all think it's going to happen all at 1 minute. No, it takes time. But everything that you see from December 21st onward, from the central galactic plane lining up with our sun, our solar system, and our galaxy, is going to occur till 24, and 2 years after year 24. But right now, in the year 2016, in November, first week of November, 2016, the Earth is going to be lined up for the first time with the central galactic plane on one side and the sun on the other side, till the year 2020. So from right now, from the year 2016 to the beginning of 2020, we will see the most violent storms. We will see Earth-defying. We're going to see 9.0s. We're going to see the San Andreas gone. We're going to see tidal waves. We're going to see hurricanes. We're going to see the whole East Coast. All that, man. We're going to see so much stuff from right now to the year 2020. All right? This is the time solar flares are going to wipe out electricity. All right? On top of that, major hurricanes, typhoons, our gravity, all that stuff, folks. I want everyone out there be prepared for that. And we're on the verge of World War III and economy collapse. This is the No Face Movement. Move until next time. Facing off.